Hi everyone, Kimberly from Nature's Art here. I'm going to show you how some of my different recipes lather up so you can kind of get an idea. This first one is one of my older recipes. It's the Bastille. It's a heavy in olive oil, a little bit of coconut oil and castor. Very simple, good for really sensitive skin. As you can see, the Bastille is a really creamy lather. So you don't get the big fat bubbles with it, but you get a nice conditioning bar. And look at that, it's like lotion. I don't know if you can see that. Like, super creamy. This next one is that one you guys saw me make, the Mad as a Hatter. So even though it hasn't had all the time in the world to cure, I did force it to gel. So it's pretty nice right now. So I want you to at least see the lather of it. So it's going to get 10 times better, mind you. Woohoo! Look at the cream on that puppy. Keep going, a little bit of water, and it starts to bubble up pretty nice. Again, nice and mild. And one more I want to show you. This is from my all natural line, where it's all natural colorants, all natural fragrances, and it's got the chamomile inside. That little bit of extra scrubbiness makes a huge difference too. But this is also the new recipe. So, and this is one that's had a chance to cure. So that other one we just did is going to end up like this. Look at that. Look at that. Pure cream. That's cream, baby. That's cream. Woohoo! A little bit of water, get the bubbles. Okay. Now, when I was a kid, I used to go to my grandma's house at summers, and we would do everything from make homemade Chinese to canning food from the garden to old-fashioned soap making on the stove. And I have made the original lye soaps with just the lard and none of the beautiful oils and stuff we have now. And I knew how to appreciate a good creamy lather. So there you go. Some of my scents are strong, some are weak. I try to work with the scent and not fight it. Like my Mad as a Hatter, incredibly strong. My Spellbound, very subtle. So, there you go. There's some of my soaps. I know it's always hard to decide if you want to buy somebody soaps because you just don't know what they're going to do. So at least this way you get to see my bubbles. Bubbles are beautiful. Love the bubble. Embrace the bubble. Talk to you later. Bye.